If you have Bluetooth headphones that you wish to connect to your Samsung Galaxy Watch 8, then in order to do so, first of all, we need to go to settings. So let me quickly go to settings, there we go. And then over here in settings, what you need to do is you need to go to connections. And then over here, go to Bluetooth, make sure that Bluetooth is enabled. And once you are here, at the bottom, you will find device, available devices, I mean. So now we're gonna turn on our headphones, put them into the pairing mode if possible. If not, then make sure that they are not connected to anything. And once you have your headphones put into the pairing mode, then over here you might need to refresh the list, so press scan again if that's the case, and then over here in available devices, eventually you should see your headphones. If it doesn't work, what you can also do, you can simply go back and return to Bluetooth settings, and there we go. I have my earbuds in my case, but it works for headphones as well. Confirm your choice, and there we go, we have paired our headphones. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.